Hi, welcome you all. Today I have a sound card with me, audio interface from Audio Array AI-04 model. It has 2 in 2 out channel. Let's open the box and check the contents. Yes, finally opened. Let's check what's inside. You have the instruction manual for this audio interface and this cable USB to 3.5, USB to USB-C, then an audio adapter, then one more USB to USB-C cable. I think this is to connect system to the interface. Now the product, the sound card itself. Here it is. This is the back of the interface. This is the front. Hope you can see it. Looks very sturdy. This is the back of it. Let me turn. You can see what all ports are available. Looks very sturdy for me. Let me check the connectors over here and tell you what I feel about this. Oh, actually there is one more here. Very small connector from this USB to small connector, USB-C. Yeah, it will be useful. Yeah, you can see now it is powered up. So at the back I have connected 2 line cables to my speakers, and I'm going to insert mics and check it now. On Mac it shows as microphone in, so you will have to select that. So let me, so I'm pretty satisfied with the outputs. Okay, so here are the knobs. Looks amazing. Let me connect my mic and check once. I have connected my mic, so in order to work you have to select this microphone in, both for actually for output device headphone is written, then it will work. Like so here I want to show you the gain levels. Using a dynamic type microphone, so you can see that pointer is almost, you can see it's almost to the full, then it is giving a decent gain, and if you reduce a little bit the gain is lost predominantly. If you just dip it down a little bit, the gain is going off. I think this is there in almost all interfaces. You can observe how the gain is going up and down. If it is full, almost full, it is giving a decent output. If it is little less, the output is down predominantly, but that's okay, we can manage. Now I have connected to the other side, the other input, other channel, and let me check the gains over here. So as I move it almost to the full, it is giving a very decent output. The moment it is down a little bit, it is going off predominantly. Almost full, yeah. Now this is giving a full gain. There you have to be very slowly increasing the gain towards the end. So there you get a very decent output, at least for dynamic type. This is how it is. Now let me try with the condenser type microphone with a little more gain on the condenser type. Okay, check. It has a good gain compared to the dynamic. Let me push it to almost towards the end and check. Almost like a 75%. This is also giving a very good output. I think it works great with condenser microphones.